Hey guys, it's Sophia and welcome back to today's video. And in today's video, this video is going to be so fun, y'all. I'm super excited for this. I'm going to be doing what's in my backpack end of the year edition 2022. Now, y'all, it's literally crazy. I have two regents or two tests this year that I have to go back to school for. So I had one yesterday, which is the 15th. Today I'm filming on the 16th. And this is like my last Regents as a junior. So when I go back to school in the fall, I'm gonna be a senior, which is kind of crazy, but like I'm almost kind of ready for it. Anyways, so let's get into the backpack, shall we? This is gonna be interesting. So let's get into it, shall we? Alright, so first I'm gonna show you stuff I had in my locker. This is the bag. It's Stewart's. If you don't know what Stewart's is, it's like a gas station, but they also like food. So first, in this bag, so I cleaned out my locker the last day of school, which was the 14th. So one of the things I had in my locker was these sneakers. I had them for gym. And when I went to school in the fall, like we weren't changing. So I always brought sneakers. So if we went outside and it was wet, I could just wear these guys and not get my nice shoes wet. So yeah, I kept those in my locker. A water bottle full of water. I don't know how old this is. Creepy. I have a binder I never used. I was gonna use it for English. Never used that. A birthday thing. They put it on my locker. Like the principal it says like happy birthday. I'll just do that. Happy birthday. I ripped it off my locker first day. A folder. I think I was using this for history, and then I was like, I'll just not use it. And then I don't have anything in there because I used that folder to put papers in for my final project for Spanish. So our final is we had to go teach elementary kids Spanish. So that was my Spanish college Spanish class final. Then lastly is have my Spanish. Last year of Spanish, y'all. This was it. Next year I don't have Spanish, so. And then I think there's some dirt at the bottom of this bag. And that is some of the stuff in my locker. Now, let's get on to the good part. The backpack. Okay, so backpack time. I did post a what's in my backpack like beginning of the year edition, but I posted it late because I had COVID and I was gonna post it. It didn't post, so I ended up posting it later just to give y'all a video because I was sick and had COVID. So I'll leave the link if you're down in the description box if you guys want to watch it. So in the video, I had a clear backpack. Not anymore, ladies and gentlemen. This is my backpack. I got this Carhartt backpack off of Amazon. I was gonna use it for work. Ended up using it for school. So here's what it looks like. So I have this ribbon for Ukraine. This little pin, I'll get closer so you guys can see it. It says, I love New York. I don't know if I can really see that. I have like a pride pin, anime or Kuromi, and then this says powered by caffeine. That's kind of what it looks like. Now let's start off in this pocket. I don't know if I can back up. This is it. There we go. So this is this pocket. I don't think I have anything in here. Actually, yes I do. In this side pocket. A gum wrapper. And a pin that doesn't even close. So, awesome. Not scary. Okay. First up. A rubber band and a pencil. A empty pack of gum and a wrapper. Another empty pack of gum with empty wrappers in it. Can you tell? I chew gum. Hand sanitizer. It is in the warm vanilla sugar. That stuff is awesome. An earring. I think the other one's in here. A gum wrapper and a thing with gum in it. Can you tell I chew a lot of gum? Colored pencils. A pen, a wrapper, I don't even know what that is. More gum wrappers, a pen, and a pencil. God, I needed these like weeks ago. Why didn't I find these? The top of my colored pencil thing, a thing of gum, and a pen with sticky gum on it. I think more wrappers. I think this is, what is this? I got a pin, gum wrapper, a fake nail, a ring with gum on it, another nail and gum, and a pin. Next I got, oh, this was my ACT ticket that I printed out, but for some reason put it in my bag. I think I ended up printing out another one. We have another pin, it's a Pride pin, gum wrappers, nail, clip, another ring, gum, and a kind of open, gross Kit Kat. This is really bad. Gum wrappers. I chewed a lot of gum. Holy Toledo. Is there anything else? Yes, there is. I think this was work I owed one of my teachers. Another ring. The yin and yang from a pink flower. I think I have like more rings in here. I do. Another pin. Earrings, gum, a pin, and another earring. And I think the rest is just, ew, more gum. This is disgusting. Alright, now that I've traumatized myself with this, let's get on to the big guy. So here's kind of what it looks like. So, chemistry. I think that some of this was like English, because I had my English Regents yesterday test. I have I have bingo sheets in here. Chemistry, fun stuff. I have my pencil pouch. This is what it looks like. It had like cool stuff on the front of it. Not anymore. Pens, pencils, a phone charger. Awesome. Great. 2 sticky notes, a crumpled up bingo sheet, and a Ziploc baggie that's empty. Chemistry book, barely used it. Notebook that I used for my math class. This is it. I have a Zoomy sticker on there. I didn't use all of the pages, but yeah, fun stuff. I have a clip. Well, I can't use this now because I cut my hair. It's literally raining right now. Yep. A ice cream wrapper, a gum wrapper, and a spoon. Why do I have a spoon in my backpack? I don't know. This is disgusting. What is this? A case. I think it has sunglasses in here. Don't ask me how I managed to fit all this stuff in here. They're sunglasses. I mean, I don't remember putting those in there. A water bottle. A little water bottle. And an Airheads wrapper. Blue raspberry. Good stuff. Another pencil. Here it is. I'm putting the good stuff in here. Wrappers. I think this is a cough drop wrapper. It's just whatever that brand is. Alright, this is my folder. I think I've cleaned my folder like 18 million times this year because it got so thick. Mostly from chemistry. So, good stuff. Literally, y'all, these file folders are the best. Let me just show you what it looks like inside. This is literally it. And I might be reusing this for my senior year because it's in good shape. So, oh, there's more at the bottom. Hold on. 3 cough drops. 3 cough drops. And then, so there's a pocket right here. Oh, good God. I think these were like little rice cakes that I packed that I never ate. Cute. Let's just pull out everything in here, shall we? Oh, cute. Papers. More paper. More paper. I found 2 pads. Woohoo! This is a lunch menu. This is chemistry test. I got 71 on that. Woohoo! These were my history. This wasn't. This was English. This was my review sheet that I did for his test. Yeah. Spanish? Yes, because I had to do a project on, Frida Kahlo. So this is like the stuff I wrote down. I could have run on my presentation. English, when we read The Great Gatsby. I think these are history tests, yes. 2 pads. Hey, listen. It helps. I didn't even know I had those in there. I would have used them. 71 on that chemistry test because I'm terrible. And then this was when I had to write an essay. Oh, yeah, I didn't do too hot on that. And I think that is it in here. There's a couple more things in here. A rubber, the beads. Paper, I don't even know what this says. It's from the school. Oh, that's when we had those additional snow days, because at my school, obviously the rubber band. Flashcards. This was for my Frida Kahlo project. And an envelope. Oh, this was a puzzle. There's puzzle pieces in here. Ta-da! Yeah. And that is what was in my backpack. I think that's everything. More gum wrappers. Ta-da! This is currently my floor. So I'm just sitting here. There's where I'm filming my window. Papers, gum wrappers, my backpack. There's a dresser drawer. Like, look at this. That's my other stuff. And my little dinosaur. This is my floor. Alright, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my disgusting backpack. This thing was nasty as heck. Holy Toledo. But I kept switching between this bag and the clear one. And then finally I was like, I'm not carrying a lot of this stuff. So I use that bag to carry less things. So, yeah. And don't worry, you guys. I will be doing a video to show you guys what I'm getting for my senior year because I'm super excited. But I got time for that. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a big old thumbs up. And I shall see y'all next week. Bon voyage!